To set a custom notification sound on Samsung Galaxy A57, first of all, we're gonna go to the Samsung folder over here in the app drawer, and you want to open My Files. So I assume that your custom notification sound is on your phone right now, that you have either downloaded it, transferred it to your phone, or anything else. And what you need to do is we need to find that file. So I'm gonna go to the audio category over here, and here I have my custom notification sound. What I need to do now is I need to press and hold my finger on that file in order to select it. Next, at the bottom, we're gonna tap on Move. In here, tap on the internal storage, and you want to choose the notifications folder, and then you want to move it over here. Once you do that, you want to now exit the My Files app, and now we want to open Settings. So in Settings, choose Sounds and Vibration. In here, we're gonna go to Notification Sound, and now we should be able to scroll all the way up on this list of notification sounds, and we should be able to find our custom sound in here. So we want to select it, and we can exit these settings, leave a like, and subscribe.